We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of PENNONCLEAN, N3, 20 inches walk behind floor scrubber. Consists of the following features. 20 inches cleaning width for maximum coverage. Designed for large-scale cleaning, the 18-inch scrubbing path provides extensive coverage, ideal for efficiently maintaining expansive spaces such as industrial warehouses, shopping centers, medical facilities, and supermarkets. Wide surface compatibility. Designed for sealed hard flooring surfaces, including concrete, tile, marble, epoxy, PVC, terrazzo, and hardwood. Not suitable for use on unsealed or high-pile carpeted surfaces. Quick setup and easy operation. Features pre-assembled components for quick setup and a lightweight design for easy, one-handed operation. This significantly reduces training requirements and overall labor needs. Engineered for superior cleaning. Driven by a 500-watt vacuum motor, the 190 RPM brush provides reliable debris pickup. The innovative U-shaped squeegee maximizes water extraction, ensuring floors are left dry and without streaks. Heavy-duty and user-friendly build. The rugged, rotomolded polyethylene construction stands up to daily wear and corrosion. Thoughtful features like the ergonomic handle and protective bumpers make it easy to maneuver and help prevent operator fatigue. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.